How's it going, everyone? In this guide, we're going to show you how to make your emails mobile friendly on Mailchimp. So firstly, log into your Mailchimp account and create a new regular email. You will then have to choose a mobile friendly template, so simply select a pre-designed template from Mailchimp's library. So many of these templates are already optimized for mobile viewing. And you can then go ahead and customize the template with your content, images, and text. So keep in mind that mobile screens are smaller, so use concise text and high quality images. You also have to ensure that your images are optimized for mobile devices by using appropriate file sizes and formats. And you can also place prominent calls to actions or CTAs above the fold so they are easily visible on mobile screens. Then finally, use Mailchimp's preview feature or test your email on various mobile devices to ensure it displays correctly. So that's simply how to make your emails mobile friendly on Mailchimp. So if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.